here with you today, and we are going to do just a little balance session, a little balance flow one, nice and easy. Come join me. Start with a triangle. We're just doing a little strength move to start off with, and then we get into the balance. All right. So with the triangle, feet fairly far apart, not too far, not out here, just fairly far apart. And your right leg is going to be pointing that way. Turn the left leg in, arms out to the side. Straight on the front leg, but not locked, okay? So you can have a little bit of a bend in it if you want as well. All right, so shoulders, pull them back. Try to get these shoulders above the hips to start off with, nice and strong through the arms, leaning to the side. So leaning out to your right side before we start. The hand comes down and then the other one goes up. So just wherever feels right for you, you can have a slight bend in the knees, pushing that hip away. So really trying to open up your chest. Try not to let this arm come too far forward. Okay. Lots of talking. All right. We're just staying here in triangle for a few more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Weight comes forward onto your right leg. Okay. And we're going to go with arms out to the side. So we're going to do star. So leg lifts up, holding it for 3, 2, can be touching the ground too if you want. 1, come through the center. Okay, I'm stepping this foot out, not like that, and I'm going to do the star again. So I've got my foot angled. So your left leg should be angled a little bit as you do this. 3, 2, 1. Coming through the center and out again. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Coming back through the center, so feet are about shoulder width apart. We're just going to go up onto our toes. So reaching up onto the toes. 3, 2, 1, and down. Arms come down, heels come down, reaching up again, lifting up nice and tall on the toes. 3, 2, and 1. And if you can, just find a little point, something that's not moving as you do this, lifting up onto the toes, reaching high if you can. 3, 2, 1. Coming down. Excellent. Let's go the other side. So to your left side, left foot is pointing that way. Other one turns. Right leg's turning, arms are out. We're going to go straight into it. Leaning out to your left side, pushing that hip away, and then the hand comes down. Reaching up, pulling the chest, pulling the arm back, opening up the chest. See, I've got a bit of a slight bend in that knee, and that's fine. If you want to come further down, please do, but I'm just going to go here for me today. 3, 2, and 1. Weight transfers onto the left leg, and then we've got arms are out, and we're going to star. So lifting your right leg, holding it. 3, 2, 1. Coming through the center. Weight shifts, arms reach, and we lift. 3, 2, 1. Back through center, reaching out. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Come back, feet shoulder width apart, arms up and onto the toes. Lift. 3, 2, whoops, and 1. Coming down, lifting again, up. Nice strong arms. 3, 2, and 1. Coming down, lifting again, up. Well done. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're going to flow just straight into the star move. We're skipping the triangle star. So lift. 3, 2, 1. Weight shift center. 3, 2, 1. Through the center, out, Big star. 3, 2, 1. Toes up. Lift. 3, 2, 1. Coming down. Getting a bit of a shoulder workout here too. Arms lift, toes lift, or heels lift actually, don't they? I think that's about 1. Coming down, one more time. Lift, up. Good. And down, straight into star on the side. Star. Lift. 3, 2, and 1 through the center. This is the last one. You're doing well, stay with me. Good shoulder workout as well. Really reaching with those hands back through the center and flowing and lifting up and smiling. If you like, back through the center and roll those shoulders. I'm really feeling that in my shoulders. Roll the shoulders, shake the legs out. Well done for that little yoga flow. Thanks for joining me for that little balance session. Shake, 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 and I will see you next time.